He tino miharo te whakapai i ngā wai, te taiao hoki. He pai te whakapai i te roto, nā te mea ko ngā ika, ko ngā kaura, he pārekareka, me te manaakitanga, whakawhanaungatanga hoki.
There's my ear, I'll check it. Make sure that doesn't go down.
To protect our waters from weed lakes and he tino paitero, and we're putting in nature into the water and it's not hurting the environment, so he tino paitero.
He mea pai kia hau, nā te mea. Just ka mahi tahi mātou, ki te mahi uwhi, he paitero.
Our kids have been so fantastic in lending their hands, in listening, in learning, in just taking to this mahi as if it was something that was passed down to them from many generations beforehand. I mean, they have the muscle memory is there, the intergenerational knowledge is there within them, and all we needed to do is give them the tools and the outlet, and you can basically just leave them to it after that.